Yeah, no, I gotta eat every hour, or else my blood sugars just crash. They just go right through the floor. So, yeah. No, I know. Wake up, Mark. I love Mondays.
Hey, wait, where are you going?
Oh, just going to see my boss. Tiffany, I need to talk to you about my work from home schedule.
Whoa.
Basically, I don't want to work from home anymore.
Out.
Ooh, mints.
Out,
Wait.
Get out, thank you. Bye-bye.
There are so many complaints against him. He stinks. He makes my nose run and my eyes water. He's toxic. He's dirty. He makes my asthma flare. He makes me cough. He's polluting the office.
Hey, Ben. Did you watch BTS on the iHeart Music Festival yesterday? Pretty awesome, right? I know. Hey, catch you later. Hey, Tammy, knock, knock. I gotta tell you about this. You get that email from HR. They're telling us we can do yoga at our desks. Al Desco. Oh, where are my manners? Excuse me. You know what I call this pose? Jerry in accounting. Knock, knock, Mary. Hope you don't mind if I set my workstation up in here. See facilities, they're moving the furniture around in my office. Yeah, I know. Hey, you guys look like you could use some company. Wait, no, where are you going? Don't take the sandwiches.
Look, he's seasonal. He's here for a few months. Some years, you barely see him. Some years, he's everywhere. Just close your doors, close your windows, stay inside, get an air cleaner, or make one. He hates those. Every time I turn mine on, he leaves. I even post it online every day where I think he'll be, so people can avoid him.
Andrew, we gotta talk about Jerry. He's got one of them air cleaners. I think you'll agree with me when you say, that's not really congruent with our respectful workplace policy. Okay. See you in mediation. No, I can't go yet.
Out of here.
No, my work is not done. Wait, no,